It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over the Spotify method. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, today on this video, I want to go over a couple updates and show payment proof that the Spotify method actually pays out. Now, the first update I want to go over on this video is the email you get after you submit your Spotify track on my website. Now, y'all know I went ahead and updated my website to offer different consulting services, right? And after you fill out the service form for the Spotify method, at the bottom, you'll receive this email, right? Just basically informing you that I've received your Spotify track submission. I got the email and that we're fulfilling your order. Now, once I fulfilled your order and you paid through PayPal, you'll receive a product shipped email. So this is something I wanted to bring to your attention. Whenever I complete your order, right, and I go in order by how I received them, right? Every order I received so far, we received 42 orders, right, within the first 24 hours. That's crazy. I want to thank y'all for that. But every order I received so far, I fulfilled, right? I fulfilled every order, and I just want to let y'all know, if you pay through PayPal, you'll get another email on top of this email just letting you know the product is shipped. That means I have sent out your order and it'll start. And you want to keep track on Spotify for artists. You want to keep track on Spotify for artists whenever you running any of these campaigns. Keep track on Spotify for artists so you can see when the streams are coming in. You can see who's listening live, and you can also keep track on your music distributor, like whether it's DistroKid, TuneCore, Level Music, whoever you're using, Amuse. You'll be able to see the results come in on your analytics on there too. And y'all gotta also understand that it takes time to show the results. Like sometimes it may be a 2-day delay. It depends on how you're viewing it. If you're viewing it from Spotify for artists, it's always a 2-day delay on the analytics report, but it updates, as the time moves forward. It's like with YouTube. It's like the same thing with YouTube. It's like when you look at the analytics, it's always a 2-day delay. And then sometimes it may be like that for your music distributor. So I'm just letting y'all know that ahead of time, just so y'all, if y'all don't see the results immediately, y'all don't panic. Because a lot of people, they ask me like, okay, when the stream's coming in? It's like a 2-day delay on it. So you just got to understand like how music reporting works, right? And just to show y'all payment proof that these streams report, right? So I always show y'all Level Music, right? Let me update this. So I always show y'all Level Music, right? This is my Level Music account. Y'all see. And I currently, like, if we scroll down, I told y'all it's November, but we getting paid for August, right? So that's what y'all gotta understand. All the promotion you doing right now in November, you're not gonna get paid until January for all of this work. So, that's why I'll say run it up, but I'm gonna give y'all some best practices because a lot of people wanna know, is this safe? And it is safe, and you get paid out. So y'all see, for the month of August, $777 is what I generated. And if we go over to my pending withdrawal, you see the pending withdrawal, right? Now, we go to my PayPal, you'll see this was in the last 24 hours money in, man. Y'all been going crazy. This is on top of the payment I received too. So you see Level Music right here. It sent it at 6:43 p.m., right? And I want y'all to pay attention to the dates as well, right? Because today is November 18th. Level Music pays out every 15th of the month, right? It normally pays out every 15th of the month. This 15th fell on a Sunday. So if the 15th of the month falls on a Sunday for Level Music or for like Amuse or like any other distributor that pays on the 15th, there's a couple distributors that pay only on the 15th. But if it ever falls on a Sunday, it'll get paid out the 16th. And then, but Amuse, once they load the money, then it's an additional day to you to access the money. Then you can withdraw it. But I scheduled the withdrawal for today earlier this morning, right? Well, it was the 17th. I scheduled the withdrawal for the 17th, and I received it on the 17th, right? So I just wanted to let y'all know that the Spotify method pays out. You know what I'm saying? And y'all gotta get on this. Y'all gotta get on this. But let's go over some of the best practices, because I was getting the question like, is the Spotify method safe? And it is. It is safe. You know what I'm saying? Based on all of my research, it's safe. The only time when it's not safe is when people try to over-exploit it and have abnormal streaming activity. I want to just let y'all know, if you are generating 1 million streams a month, like, this is why I set the royalty breakdown like this. I think if you want to max out at 1 million streams a month, you should be consistent at 1 million streams a month. You shouldn't try to like one day just surge it up, like just add a surplus of streams, you know, and make it look abnormal. If you want growth, add it gradually on to it. Like, you can do it throughout a whole month. You just got to remember, you get paid out per month, right? You don't get paid out per week. So everything you do within the 4 weeks is combined, and that's how much you are paid out. So if you generating 100,000 a week, you know, and you want to leave it at that consistent 100,000 a week rate, right? You don't want to like add a bunch of extra streams. But if you set your goal for 1 million a month, you want to do 1 million a month. If you set your goal for 500,000 a month, you want to do 500,000 a month. You know what I'm saying? You set your goal for 2 million a month, you want to do 2 million a month consistently. That's what you want to do. And you just don't want to create abnormal streaming activity. Like, you want to remain consistent. Like, if you know I only want to, you know, do 500,000 every month. That's all I want to do is 500,000 streams, right? Only do that, you know, and don't get greedy. Don't look at this as like, you know, your only source of income. Look at this as an additional source of income. You know, I wouldn't put all my eggs in one basket when it comes to making money online. Like, streaming is just one way I make money. I make money from other ways too. So, you know, I wouldn't put all my eggs in one basket, but just use this as an additional source of income. Don't look at it as like your main source of income. Use it as an additional source of income that you can you know, invest your money into and see a return into, because the returns on this are over 50%. You know what I'm saying? Every time you invest, whatever you invest, you're getting over 50% back. You know, whether you buy 1 million streams, whether you buy 500,000 streams. And like I said, I'm doing this. This is the best price on the market. If you look at other companies that do this, they charge like $8 for 1,000 streams, and you don't even get that much back in royalties. So, you know, I'm really looking out for y'all, and I appreciate all of the support. I appreciate everybody who working with me. You know, I really do. I love promoting y'all music. Like, I'd rather promote y'all shit than do mine. You know, it's like, it feel good. It feel like a good deed, and I'm helping people. You know, and then some of the messages y'all are sending me, like, just let me know that, you know, it's helping y'all out. So yeah, I like what I'm doing. So it's safe, yes. You know, you just have to understand, like, not to do abnormal streaming activity. You know, that's it. Like, you just can't get like crazy do 10 million. Like, you can't be doing 10 million, 5 million a month and nobody knows you. Like, who are you, bro? Like, you know what I'm saying? You getting on global radar charts, and you getting on all of these big playlists, and you don't have a well-rounded social media background, and you don't have a website. Like, if you're gonna do it big, like, look big. You know what I'm saying? Like, have a website, have everything in order. Then you can do more numbers. It'll look more organic. But don't just be a lone artist with nothing else going on and doing 10 million streams a month. No, like, don't do it like that. You know, you gotta just think about it, you know, and like play it different. But if y'all need help, bro, I offer consulting. So just, you use all the services on my website. But it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. That was my video. I'm out. Peace.